Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Drive for LinkedIn work samples, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.google.com/drive. Press the enter key to access Google Drive's website. If you already have a Google account, click on the Go to Google Drive button. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and click Next. Next, enter your password and click Next again. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password. Once logged in, you will see the Google Drive interface. To create a new folder for your LinkedIn work samples, click on the plus new button on the left side. From the drop-down menu, select Folder. A dialog box will appear asking for a folder name. Type in a name, such as LinkedIn Work Samples, and click Create. Now, you need to upload your work samples to this folder. Click on the folder you just created to open it. To upload files, click on the plus new button again. This time, select File Upload or Folder Upload, depending on your need. Choose the files or folder you want to upload from your computer. Click Open to begin the upload process. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once uploaded, your files will appear in the folder. To ensure that your work samples are accessible, click on the file you want to share. Then click on the share icon in the top right corner. A sharing dialog box will appear. In this box, you can enter the email addresses of those you want to share with. Alternatively, click on Get Link to share the link directly. Make sure to adjust the sharing settings based on your preference. Choose anyone with the link if you want it to be accessible to everyone. After setting up the sharing options, click Copy Link. Now you can paste this link into your LinkedIn profile. Return to your LinkedIn profile and navigate to the Featured section. Click on the plus icon to add new content. Select links from the drop-down menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.